How to stop someone from calling you without blocking them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop someone from calling you without actually blocking them on WhatsApp. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your WhatsApp and head over to the chat where you don't want the person to call you or even message you without actually blocking them. So if I don't want this person to call me, so what I'm going to do here is just tap on their profile, and from here you can just go ahead and tap on the three lines to mute this chat. You also have an option for notifications here, just tap on it. Now if you want to mute the notification, tap on the mute notification, and if you want to mute it for 8 hours, you can choose 8 hours. You can choose up to a week, and you can also choose always. So unless you change it back or unless you unmute the notification, it will always be muted. Now you won't get notification for your calls or your messages. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.